Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find template in Instagram. Let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device and swipe your screen to the right. And then at the bottom of your screen, choose Reel. And the most convenient way to find a template is by tapping on the gallery icon, which can be found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click the templates option at the top of the screen, and here you may explore various template options. If you find the template you liked, simply tap on it. As for me, I will be choosing this template by Outdoor Brook. And then you can just customize it by adding multiple clips from your photo library by tapping Add Media, and just feel free again to choose the files you want. The number of clips that you may choose depends on the template, and you may check that at the bottom of your screen. And once you've selected your media files, just tap the arrow pointing to the right. And this will generate a preview of a reel based on the chosen template. And then once you're satisfied, just click Next. And then just edit the video as you want and publish it once you're completely satisfied. And that's how you find templates in Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!